All right, we're in lesson 3, a chapter on strings. We finished lesson 1, which was the output lesson, just basic output, system out, print line, hello world, not too much else besides that. I guess sideways printing, print versus print line was a tough thing there. Then we tackled lesson 2, and you're ready for a quiz on lesson 2 if you've taken your time on the lesson 2 exercises. And now lesson 3, we just began today. If you're in period 1, 3, or 4, period 0 will begin this tomorrow. Period 0 is catching up. They were a full period behind the first day because no 0 period first day of school, and they've been catching up gradually since, and they're almost caught up. 2 topics to begin with. In lesson 3 on this first video, concatenation and the length method. Now in this post on Google Classroom, I gave you this file to complete, and this file is just lovely practice with concatenation and the length method. So we have 3 strings with the string literals Arcadia, high, and school. In a single statement, use length to display the length of S1. So a single statement, don't cheat and give me 2 statements, that'd be wrong on a quiz. Here we go, just system.out.println S1.length. That's how the prompt reads, that's how you should do it. Pilot, call this class String Fun 1. Arcadia has what, 7 characters? Should be 7. Good. In a single statement, use length to store the length of S2 in a variable named len. So you can do int or double, no reason to use double here, just save memory and use the int type. Int len equals S2 dot length. No output yet in this part, so we'll just compile it, not run it, and no errors. Good. Display the values stored in len. So now we'll display that. And high, H-I-G-H, has 4 characters, so we should see a 4 on the screen. System out println len. So we got the 7 on the screen, and now we should see a 4. If I'm reading this right. Good, all good, 7 and 4. Keep marching on. All in a single statement, concatenate S1 with S2 to make Arcadia high. Store this new string in S1. So all this in a single statement. So the way we do it up to now in the book is S1 equals S1 plus the space between them plus S2. Okay, I really hope you did this yourself first and practice this. Adding strings together sounds so easy, but would you have done that just like I did or not? Now display S1 to make sure it says Arcadia space high. Compile. Run it. All good. Okay, we'll learn a different way to do that, a little easier way to do that with the plus equals operator, the concatenation operator, I think it's called later in the book, but for right now, that's our best way to do it. 6, all in a single statement, concatenate S1 with S3 to make Arcadia High School. So S1 equals S1 plus another space plus S3. I'll go ahead and display it. File. Arcadia High School. Great. And then finally, number 8, in a single statement, use length to display the length of S1. So system.out.println S1 dot length. Okay, so 2 spaces. Let's see, Arcadia has what, 7 letters? That makes 9. High has 4. That makes 13. And then school has 6 more to make 19. If I did that right in my head, we'll see 19 on the screen. Great. Okay. Uh, One last little thing to do here, very optional right now. Uh, there's a way to write all this code a little shorter. See, we do system out so many times in a lot of programs. Well, wouldn't it be nice if there was a way to just simply do out.println without the system there? On that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. Wouldn't that be cool? Save us those, what, 7 or 8 keystrokes every time? Capital S? Ugh. Compile it. Well, I got errors. It says doesn't work. Okay, all those out print lines cause an error. What you need to do, which I'm going to write in the backboard tomorrow morning for us all, is do what's called an import statement. Import static java.lang.S system dot asterisk or star semicolon. An awful line of code, I admit. I know it looks scary and kids won't want to do it at first, but you're going to write programs that have many, many system outs. And it sure would be nice to be able to drop off that system. And you can do it if you do that import. So that puts the word system in there. Now we have no errors, and it runs again as prescribed. Okay, thanks for watching.